Boom, there we go. Connect. Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my 2-in-1 wireless adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go and actually check it out. This is cool. So like on my car, I have to have it plugged in for the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's this one right here. Comes with the instructions. Should just be plug and play, but it's this one right here. And if yours uses the Type-C option, you can put the thing on there as well, the little adapter. So let's go ahead and actually plug it up and see how it works. Alright, so we're in the car. Let's go ahead and put this on Bluetooth. And we're going to go ahead and connect our device. So you can see you got a green light there. Let's see if we can find it on our phone now. Oh, look at that. Switch right over. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Alright, so then I went to my Bluetooth. I see a wireless dongle right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pair to it. So you can see it down here. It does say, some say smart box, wireless dongle, AI box, so it'll have different options. So it does show it's connected. Boom, there we go. Connect to CarPlay, yes. Continue. So we should see movement right over here. Boom. So like I said, on mine, I have to have it connected on here. But now, as you can see, you're able to access everything right on here. So if we go to like Audible, everything should work. Let's go here.
Where's the Queen stripe? I just gave it the creation.
Look at that.
Most children actually get what they want from their parents.
Oh,
because their parents get
so go back. Let's go here, and as you can see, it's like really smooth. So we want to do like maps. And as you can see, this can be very helpful, especially if you're doing Uber, DoorDash, anything like that. Just being able to see the maps on your screen right here is super convenient, not having to unplug and plug in your phone all the time. So you can see, seconds to hook it up. Very, very simple. Love that I'll be able to access everything on here now. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new wireless adapter, definitely get to this one. I'm going to leave the link down below so y'all get yours.